Light up your life, the ultimate home lighting guide. Light up your life, the ultimate home lighting guide is a video that showcases the importance of proper lighting in your home. The video opens with a dark and dreary room, highlighting how lighting can affect the overall ambiance and mood of a space. The narrator then introduces the various types of lighting that can be used in different areas of your home, such as task lighting for workspaces and accent lighting for decorative purposes. The video also emphasizes the importance of layering different types of lighting to create a well-lit and balanced room. Throughout the video, expert designers provide tips and tricks for selecting the right lighting fixtures, bulbs, and color temperatures to achieve your desired atmosphere. Viewers are encouraged to experiment with different lighting options and to consider the specific needs and preferences of their household. The video concludes with a series of stunning before and after shots, showcasing how the right lighting can transform a space from dull to dynamic. The narrator encourages viewers to take the time to consider their home's lighting needs and to invest in quality lighting fixtures and bulbs to create a warm and inviting atmosphere that will light up your life.